Welcome back to Vision Auto Garage. In the last episode we finished the bodywork on the Audi TT, battling through some reactions in the base coat and giving it some good layers of clear. In this episode we flat and polish the whole car and start work on the exhaust.
Removing runs in the clear coat is a simple task but requires a little care. I'm using 1000 grit wet production paper on a hard rubber block, ensuring I'm working only on the high spots of the run. With the runs dealt with, I wet sand the painted panels first with 1000 grit, then 1200, then 1500, taking care not to cut through at the edges. Next, using Farcella G3 liquid compound and a variable speed mop, I work over each panel starting at a low speed with hard pressure, working up to full speed using just the weight of the mop.
Well, I've been mopping the car for about 4 hours and I think I'm finally done. But like me, the car's completely covered in compound, so it's time to give it a good wash. With the bodywork now pretty much sorted, I'm going to start work on the exhaust.
This 180 brake horsepower model TT comes with a single tip back box, which is completely rusted, so I've chosen to upgrade it with a second-hand twin exit box from a 225 version and replace the centre silencer with a custom pipe. Using some spare stainless pipe, I mock up and weld a new centre section. All that's left to do is order a reducer to connect it to the 60mm back box pipe. I'm really pleased with the progress on the TT. There's just a few more jobs to do before it's back on the road. Thanks for watching.